Hello first graders, welcome to a new math lesson on topic 5. Today's lesson number 6. Please get your paper ready and let's start. Making 10 to add 9. Remember, previous lesson we covered the 10 frames and add the numbers, so we were easily have 1 10 frame, for example. And my sentence would be 8 plus 7 equals, so I need to make 10, so I'm gonna put my 8 first. This is 8 and now I need to add 7, so I used to say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I made 10 and then I add what's out of my 10 frames, 1 2 3 4 5, and now it's easy for me to add. So 10 plus 5 is 15. That's mean 8 plus 7 is 15, right? That was the previous lesson. Today we're gonna have 2 frames and we make same thing. One of the frames is 10 and then we're gonna add the rest, but instead of putting it under there or out of the 10 frames, we have 2 10 frames now. Okay, but we're gonna always have 9 plus something because making 10 to add 9. So we're gonna always make 10, but my addition always has to start with 9. And this is the lesson, so you're gonna see them all 9 for the entire exercise and lesson. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, I can use my markers if I need to, and I'm having my counters also. Okay, all right, so we're making up numbers. Let's say 9 plus 5. As you see, the first one, 9 plus 1 2 3 4 5. I don't need to count because I know it's 10 frames, 2 rows. First one is 5, second one is 5. So if the first one is full, that means it's 5, and here it's 9. So 9 plus 5. All right, we need to make the 10. So help me to add. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove 1 from here, so I'm gonna exit from here and add it here. So now I have my 10 plus 1 2 3 4. So 10 plus 4, very good, 14. That's mean 9, before I move this, 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, let's do the second one. Erase this one now. And I'm gonna say 9 plus 4. So 9 plus 4. So 1 2 3 4. So I don't have this one. I'm covering this one. Now I'll cover it with here. So this is my 9 and this is plus 4. So 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4 is 13. But I want to use that. Making 10 help you to answer your, solve your problem or do your addition. So I'm going to remove 1 from here. I exit here. I'm going to add it here. So now I have 10. And how many? 1 2 3. So 10 plus 3, very good, 13. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. And if I'm using 10 frame, 10 plus 3 is 13. All right, let's use that. Number 3. Okay, let's see 9 plus 3. All right, so I have 9 plus 5, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 3. Again, I have my 9 drawn and colored in my first 10 frame, and I have 3 over here. 10 in my second 10 frame. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, I want to make this 10. So I'm going to write 10. So my first 10 frame is full, 10. So how this will happen? By moving 1 from here, add it here. So I'm filling my 10 frame. So now this is not there anymore. I removed it and I put it there. So what do I have? 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. Awesome. Very good. Okay, let's do the same thing. Let's add more now. And instead of having less here, let's say 9, I'm gonna have 6 in my second 10 frame. So okay, so 9 and 5 plus 1, 6. So 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6. Let's count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay. What if I moved 1 from this 10 frame to fill the gap? I need to move 1 only because 1 box is missing. 1 box is empty. All right, I'm gonna remove this one because I can easily remove it, and I add it here. So now I have 110. This my 10 frame is full, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the first row. So 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is, yes, 15. Awesome. So I'm making 10 frames to help me to add 9. Okay, let's turn the page and read the exercise we have and the example. All right, you can make a 10 to help you add 9. Your question here, 9 plus 6. This is your 9 and this is your 6. So move 1 counter from 6 to the 9. So move 1 counter from the second row, the second 10 frame, move it up here. So moving this one all the way up here. So now I have 10, and how many I have here? Very good, 5. So 10 plus 5 is the same like 9 plus 6, because I did not add or take away any. I just moved to a different position. So I filled my 10 frame. So now this is 10, and what I took here, that's what I have left. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. So the sums are the same because I didn't add or I didn't take away. I just moved them. All right? Let's do our practice. Gotta practice. All right. 9 plus 4. 9. This is your 2 10 frames. So the first one, the 9 counters. 5 plus 4 is 9, and then plus 4. So they dotted. So they put 4. But then I add 1 to fill my 10 frame. So it's 10 plus how many left in the second 10 frame? 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. Okay? All right, let's do that. And we can use our crayons. I have orange. Okay, we have the red, so I'm going to use blue. All right. 9 plus 7. So this is your 9. And plus 7. So 7, gonna fill right away, start filling the gap on the first 10 frame, and then put the rest over here. So 9, I add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please, you put your finger to know which number are you doing so you don't get mixed up, and you start right away from the empty spot in your first 10 frame. So my first 10 frame, I have 1 missing, 1 empty. I'm gonna start from here counting the number I have here. So this number 7, I'm starting from here, that last box in my 10 frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I look at this part and I see that what do I have here? 10. Here's my 10. And how many I have in my second 10 frame? 5 plus 1 is 6. 10 plus 6. So 10 plus 6 is what? 16. Very good. So 9 plus 7, that's the first part you had. 9 plus 7, 16. Because as you see, I did not take away, I did not add, I just moved them around. Okay, number 3, 9 plus 6. You know now, I have my 9, I need to put 6. Start from the empty box on my first 10 frame, so this is 1. I know I need to count 6, so I'm putting my finger on number 6. I don't want to make a mistake and count less or count more. 6, so I'm counting out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have 1 10 frame full, which is 10. Here's your 10. And how many in my second 10 frames? I have the first row, and I know the first row is 5, so 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 9 plus 6 is the same, 15. Okay, let's see, do you understand? Do you understand? How do you make 10 to add 9 plus 3? Yes, I know. I can do my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then how many I have? 3. So I'm gonna draw 3 in my second 10 frame. So I'm gonna use different color. 1, 2, 3. So now I have 10. And how many? 2 equals 12. All right. Okay, you want me to make it up here so you have enough to see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, have something here. Oh. So 9 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I have 3. I'm gonna put different shape. So I'm gonna put x1, 2, 3. So now I have my 10 plus 2. Let me fix this. So 10 plus, how many in my second 10 frame? 2. So 10 plus 2. Okay, that's what we exactly did here. So I put it out in another piece of paper so you can easily see it. So that's what you need to do. You need to draw 2 10 frames, put and you have your number 9 plus 3, so you're gonna fill 9 first and then do the different markers or different crayons or different shapes to add 3, starting by the empty part in your first 10 frame to make 10, and then put the rest on filling the other 10 frame. Okay, let's do our independent practice, page 185. Awesome. Okay, draw counters to help you add. Write the missing addend, then write the sums. Okay, so 9 plus 8. Now you need to draw it, and then you need to fill the gap here and get the answer, like exactly what we did here. All right, I'm gonna use my yellow to do this drawing. So 9 plus 8, I know 9 is from me. Now I need to add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So I have 10. Hit the 10, and then I need to count how many I have in my second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first term frame is 10, the second term frame I have 7 bucks. I filled 7 bucks only, so 10 plus 7, I know 17. So 9 plus 8, same number, 17. Because again, I did not add, I did not take away, I just rearranged them. Okay, 9 plus 5, that's mean I need to draw 5 more counters or 5 more bucks. I'm putting my hand on the 5 because this is the number I need to. I know this is 9. Start from the missing part of the first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 110 here for you. And how many in my second 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 10 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's mean 9 plus 5, same, 14. Okay, let me use different colors in case the yellow doesn't show much. All right. Number 6, 9 plus 9. So I have 9 already drawn for you in your first 10 frame. I need to add 9 more. So start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I have my 10 because I filled the first 10 frame, so this is 10. And how many I have from my second 10 frame? 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8. So 10 plus 8 is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. I know we know our doubles, but we need to use the 10 frames in this lesson. So see, easy. And that's why when you make the 10 frames, it's easy for you to count. But as I said, you need to fill the empty part first from the first 10 frames and put the rest. And you need to make sure that this is the number you put. This is the number, the bottom one, because the 9 is already put in for you. All right, let's turn the page and see page 186. Solve the problems below. Max has 9 shells. Kara has 8 shells. How many shells do Max and Kara have in all? Draw counters and write number sentence to solve. So 9 that Max has plus 8. That's what Kara has. So I'm going to say 9 plus 8. All right. I need now to draw my 9 and then the 8. So let's put the 9 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's what Max has. Remember, I need to add the 8. Right away, put my hand on number 8 and start from the empty part in my first 10 frames. So let me use a different color. I need to add 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to count now to get what I have. So 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 is 17, or I can do double plus 1. Very good. And then I have 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. So 9 plus 8 equals 17, and 10 plus 7 equals 17. So how many shells they have in all? 17. Very good. All right, number 8. Miguel found 9 big shells. He found 5 small shells. Which choice shows how you could make 10 to find the number of the shells in all? So 9 and 5. All right. So I'd like to use my 10 frame to make sure that I'm doing it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is my 10 frame. What do we have first? 9. Okay, the usual 9. Here's my 9 because about 9. And then 5. So I'm gonna fill this gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I see 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 plus 5, it's same like 10 plus 4. So now this is what I'm looking for. 10 plus 4. And I know 10 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So I'm looking for 10 plus 4 is a choice A, 10 plus 4, 14. B, 10 plus 5, 15. C, 10 plus 6, 16. Or D, 10 plus 10 is 20. It's yes, because here I use my 10 frames and help me to find my answer. So it's 10 plus 4. All right. Last question, question 9. Explain how you can make 10 to add 9 plus 4. It's so easy. We can simply do the 10 frame and answer our question. So I'm going to draw my 2 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to make my second 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My question is 9 plus 4. Can I use 9? I know the first row is 5 and then 4 from the second row. Let's make 9. And then 4. I'm gonna start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm using 10, my 10 frame, now I have 10 plus 3. So 9 plus 4 equals 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. And if I'm using 10 frames, it's going to be 10, as I see now, 10 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 3 equals 13. All right. So this lesson, we used that 10 frame and we add 9. It helped us to, so we fill that 10 frame and then we add what left. 9 plus, it's equal 10 plus. So 9 plus 5, it's the same like 10 plus 4. And the answer will be the same because I'm not adding or taking away. I'm just moving the counters to make 10. So it's going to be easy to do my addition. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.